Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about the text tags in HTML. So how can we make our text in HTML? In our previous tutorial, we discussed about the heading. You understand? We discussed about the heading tags in HTML. So today we'll be discussing about the text tag, the text tag. So this is something we'll be discussing today. So we have so many text tag. We have up to maybe 15 or maybe 15, 13 or different kind of text tag thereabout. But today we'll just be discussing about some of them that are very, very important. So the first text tag we'll be discussing about today is the paragraph tag. This paragraph tag is enable you to write paragraph on your web page. For example, let me say my name is Ayo, comma, I'm a I'm a tech guy. Let me say my name is Ayo, comma, I'm a tech guy. So normally this paragraph tags, it helps us to write paragraph in between our website. So you can write so many text, so many sentence in between your paragraph, and it will help you to make it look nice on your website. So that is what we use the paragraph tags for. As the name implies, paragraph. So if you want to write any paragraph, you make use of the paragraph tag. So now we'll be going to the strong tag. What do I mean by the strong tag? The strong tag. So strong. Now strong. It makes our text to be very bold. For example, let me say the tech guy. Now, as you can see, so now writing any sentence or any word in between the opening tag and the closing tag of the tag strong, of the tag strong, you are going to, the text will be very bold. It means that it will make the text to be very, very bold in nature. So that's what we use the strong tag for. So now another tag we'll be discussing about is the emphasis. Let me say emphasis, which means the emphasis. So now let me write again the tech guy. So now as you can see, the tech guy, you can see the tech guy and the other tech guy. So let me quickly teach you this. If you want to make in HTML, the only if you want your text to start in another line, or you want to give a space between between sentences, what you need to use is the break tag, which is br, the break tag. You see, immediately I apply the break tag in between the strong tag and the emphasis tag. You can see the tech guy with the emphasis is now on a new line. Hope you are getting it. So now the break tag is used to start a text on a new line, and the break tag does not have a closing tag. It only have an opening tag without a closing tag. So now you can see the emphasis here, the tech guy. Let me apply more break to it. So the more break I apply, the more space you are going to get. I can even apply everything on the same line. Hope you can see that I can apply everything on the same line. So you can see, so now this is the tech guy with the emphasis below here. You can see this is the tech guy with emphasis. Now this is the tech guy with the strong tag. You can see very bold. You can see that very bold. So that is that about the strong tag and the emphasis tag. So now let's go to the bold tag, that is the B. So now let me say let me write the tech guy, the tech guy. So now let me apply okay, let me change it. Let me use Olabinjo Studio. Yep. So let me apply the break so that we're going to have this on a different line, on a new line. Now you see, so now commonly you can use the strong tag and the B tag. They're almost the same. Let me just say they are the same. So you can use them. You can decide to use the strong. You can decide to use the big tag, because at the end of the day you are going to get the same result. But for me, I prefer using the bold tag. You know, I'm a very lazy type, because typing strong, you understand, it will take a longer time, and just typing B will take a shorter time. So I prefer using the B tag for my anytime I want my text to be bold in HTML. So now let's go to another tag. So let me apply the break tag so that you can get that on a new line. So now the I tag, which is for italics. So let me say Olabinjo Studio again. So now you can see that there is a slight difference between the emphasis and the italics tag. There's just it's almost the same, but there's a slight difference. You understand? So you can interchange between the two. You can use the emphasis tag. You can also use the I tag too. So it depends on you, and it depends on what you want to do. So now let me make use of the break tag again. The break tag. So now let's discuss about the underline. For example, you want your text to be underlined in your website. How do you make it to be underlined? So now we use the U tag. So now let me type this: welcome to my website. So now, as you can see this, we have text to be underlined. Welcome to my website. That is the usefulness of the U tag. For example, if you want your text to be underlined, you can place your text in between the U tag so that your text will be underlined. So now let's discuss about another tag. Let me apply a break so that we'll be able to understand better. So now let's discuss about the strike through tag, which is the S tag. For example, if you want to strike through a word, let me show you. For example, let me say this so that you're able to see it very well. Now, what do you see? You can see that the name Olabinjo is being struck through. That is the usefulness of the S tag. The S tags, it helps you to strike through a text, that is you can draw a line through a text with the text tag. So in the next tutorial we are going to discuss more about the text tag. So next tutorial we'll discuss more about the text tag. So today we have been able to discuss about the paragraph tag, the strong tag, the emphasis tag, the bold tag, the I tag, which is the italics tag, the underline tag, which is the U tag, the text strike through text tag, which is the S tag. So today we will be able to discuss about that. So in the next class we'll be discussing more on various text tag. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure you are available for the next tutorial. Thank you.